Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Stay Inn and Suites. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and facilities for disabled guests. Just 5 minutes drive from Niagara Falls International Airport and 20 minutes drive from the Maid of the Mist boat tour. Stay Inn and Suites is located in Niagara Falls, New York. Free Wi-Fi access is available for guests throughout the property. A flat-screen cable TV is provided in each room at the hotel. Certain units also have a seating area, dining area or kitchen with dishwasher. Every unit is equipped with a private bathroom with free toiletries. Air conditioning and heating are provided for guests at the Niagara Falls Stay Inn and Suites. Free parking is available on site. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.